So the S10 and the S10 Plus have been released for a brand new clean look and design. But with the S9 Plus cosmetically not looking that different than the S8 Plus, what's just a bridge in between? What's the improvements with the S10, and does the S9 Plus still hold it in the year 2019? Let's have a quick recap and let's find out. Hello guys and welcome back. I'm Ed from the Go Get Yours review channel. Go ahead and click the subscribe button, hit that bell notification option, and well, let's get started with this video. So the Samsung S9 Plus was released in early 2018. What you got within the box was the usual Samsung well-presented package, which includes a good choice of accessories. Like first of all, the well-packaged quick start guide instruction manual, SIM card slot key, UK power brick, USB-C connector, micro USB connector, a USB-C charge cable, some AKF earphones which you also get with the S8 Plus, and well, we got the S9 Plus itself, which this one right here comes in midnight black. It also comes in titanium grey, lavender and the blue version. Looking at the handset, it's noticeably larger than the standard S9, slightly smaller than the S8 Plus. It still has that metal frame with curved panels, and both S8 Plus and the S9 Plus come with a 6.2 inch display. Comparing the screen to the S10 Plus, S9 is a bit longer, but what you do get with the S10 obviously is a larger improved screen that measures 6.4 inch, with the S9 Plus coming in at 6.2 inch. The S9 Plus is also thicker than both the S8 and S10 phones, and it's also heavier, weighing 189 grams. I must say that the fingerprint sensor to the back is better placed than the S8. It's in a better position, it's super responsive, and it's easy to press while using the phone one-handed. Again, the sensor on the S10 Plus now has been implemented under the screen with that ultrasonic scanner. Not everyone has had a great experience with the unlock method, but as I'm aware, there have been improvements to this that have been made through a software update. Talking about fingerprints, this midnight black version on the S9 Plus is a massive fingerprint magnet. It's the same with the glass layer to the back too. Okay, it does give it a premium look. I have, however, had bad experience, especially on the S7s, where the glass layer to the back was easily cracked, as you can see here. To the right of the Samsung S9 Plus is the power button. To the left hand side a volume rocker and a dedicated Bixby button. To the top there is a SIM and memory card tray, with that memory expandable up to 512GB. The bottom there's a 3.5mm earphone jack and a multi-purpose USB Type-C port. The Samsung S9 Plus has 6GB RAM, 64GB or 128GB ROM, depending on which one you buy. It's running Android Pie, as a chipset Samsung Exynos 9810. It has 8 cores with a CPU 2.8GHz quad core, a 1.7GHz quad core, and it also has graphics Mali G72 MP20 architecture 64-bit. Looking at the screen, it's indeed 6.2 inch. You don't have any notches on this screen. I wouldn't necessarily say that the S10 Plus doesn't have a notch because, as you may know, the front facing camera is implemented within its display, but it's still cool though. The S9 still has the usual round edges on these edge type screens, again with that glass edge. It's your own preference really, but to me, I don't really like it myself. I've never been a fan of it, and well, this is the reason. Yep, 2 of my S7 Edge mobile phones, well, the screen was easily cracked. However, this S9 Plus does host Gorilla Glass 5. Not impossible to damage, but tough enough. But it's all good though. It's nothing that a 360 degrees case can't fix, like this one just here. Or how about this one? These will also help get rid of those pesky fingerprints. Links are provided in the video description and below in case one of these two take your fancy. This S9 Plus screen has a very vibrant Super AMOLED Infinity 1440 by 2960 pixel edge-to-edge display. It is HDR10 compliant and everything just looks sharp and colourful. The cameras to the front, well, we have an 8 megapixel camera. Good for them selfies or painting your face with the AR emoji. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Which personally I think is an overrated gimmick and a spin on Apple's animal. To the back we have dual 12 megapixel cameras, one wide angle and one telephoto. I think it's great that it has a variable aperture of f1.5 and f2.4, which will automatically change to the highest aperture when taking a picture in low light. It has autofocus, optical image stabilization, so no, unlike the Huawei P20 Pro, you won't get that wobbly video recording while vlogging, etc. There's plenty of angles and video modes to choose from. Say if you want to focus and keep something center of attention, you can choose live focus mode, which you can set how blurred out you want that background to be. This is the same with the front camera too, but obviously not going to be the best preferred quality compared to the dual back lenses, with that dual rear camera having 4K and HD recording. One thing I love is the super slow motion mode, which activates when something enters the screen, and when it does, it shoots in 950 frames per second. So yeah, to be expected while it's recording in slow motion mode, the quality will drop somewhat, but it's still fantastic. Everything is just so easy to operate. The responsiveness and performance is spot on, and over time it's the same with the S7 and the S8 too. Over the years of use, they've had no lag problems. With the S9 Plus, menus are easy to navigate and find your favourite apps easily. I'll also note that it still uses the edge screen menu, which is good. I love that utilisation, and it's very customisable. Because of how long the S9 is, you do also have that one-handed mode. You can split the screen with two apps running at the same time too. And like I said, Bixby is included with that dedicated button. What do you do when you do a poo?
I enjoy contemplating the complexity of the universe, and it's fun to think about penguins.
Hi Bixby. When was the Samsung S9 Plus first released in the UK?
Okay, here's a summary of what I found. The Samsung Galaxy S9 release date was March 16th, 2018. The Galaxy S9 price at launch was £739.
Okay Google, when was the Samsung S9 Plus first released in the UK?
Here's a summary from the Telegraph. The Samsung Galaxy S9 will be released on Friday the 16th of March, with pre-orders starting on the 1st of March. It was announced on the 25th of February at
Even the
Mobile
voice is
World
better
Congress.
over Google. Hi Bixby, Google's better than you.
All I know is I'm smarter and better than I was yesterday.
Good answer, what'll come back? Audio. Well, audio is still quite good on the S9 Plus. It has two surround speakers to the left and right. It's slightly louder than the S8 Plus, but the S10 Plus has better audio improvements. But with this handset just here, it's loud enough with that Dolby Atmos technology. The battery in this Samsung S9 is a 3500 mAh battery. It's the same as the S8 Plus, getting 3 to 6 hours out of on-screen use. The S10, however, has an improved 4100 mAh battery, which is a much improved step up. This S9 Plus supports fast charging, averaging 1 hour 33 minutes from 0% to a full charge. It also has wireless charging capability, which to be expected is 50% slower than standard charge time, taking around 4 to 5 hours for full charge. Going back to the rear of the phone, you still do have that heart rate sensor to the right hand side of the dual cameras. And flipping to the front again, to the top right hand side you have the iris recognition camera, and to the opposite side the iris recognition LED. The sensor wasn't too bad, but has been improved via the software update. Overall, this S9 Plus is still a fantastic phone. Okay, it does have the same look as the S8 Plus, with the exception of a few updates. But now the S10 has been released, well now you can pick this S9 Plus up at a heavier discounted price. But we'll add though that if you're updating, say from an S8 Plus, should you go for the S9 or the S10? Well, I'd certainly choose the S10 Plus because of the overall improvements. Compared to the S9 Plus, the S10 Plus is more modern looking, has a bigger display, an improved bezel, more premium looking, a very stylish camera layout and design, and well, yeah, there's only one clear winner. And here's where the question now lies. Is the S9 Plus still cool in 2019? Well, I actually think so. As I mentioned, with those prices now getting lower due to the release of the S10 Plus, and furthermore, due to now mobile phone contracts being extended from a 24-month period to 3 years, it might be a good idea and a great option to grab a good deal right now. In addition, I've gone through a lot of Samsung mobile phones, and I've only ever had a problem, that being a battery drain problem, with my wickedly old generation S5. But with these new Samsung handsets, well, they still hold up now. The S7 and the S8, they've certainly lasted through the years, and so will the S9. At least until next year anyway. And then you'll be able to pick the S10 Plus up cheap. Woo! Anyway guys, I hope you liked this video today. Please go ahead and share this video wherever possible. It'd be very much appreciated. Please go ahead and smash that like button. subscribe, making sure when you do to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. I'll see you guys real soon on a brand new tech review, and thanks for watching.
Peace!